What is the title? The title is Magnet. We're going to be talking about magnet today. So, what do you see on the cover? You see a lot of things, right? You see a lot of things as well. What do you see? I see a block. I see a soccer ball. I see a paper clip. I see some pins. I also see a question mark. Don't you? All right. Here, let me get my spotlight. I am a magnet. I have a North Pole and a South Pole. All right, so we just learned about briefly what a magnet is, right? So what does a magnet have? It has two things. It has two poles. What kind of poles does it have? What color is the North Pole? What color is the South Pole? Very nice, very good. All right. Whoops. Sorry. Here we go. Attract, pull towards me. Attract, pull towards me. So if you put the South Pole and the North Pole together, they attract, they pull toward each other. Repel, 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 push away. If you put the South Pole together or the North Pole together, they push away, they repel. I pull objects like pins and clips. What objects do a magnet pull? What objects do magnets pull? How many do you see on the screen right now? How many? How many is on the North Pole? How many are on the South Pole? Right now, are the pins attracted to the magnets? Are they attracted or are they repelled? Are they attracted to the magnet or repelled from the magnet? I can't pull objects like balls and blocks. Why not? Why? What do you think? This one's a little bit hard, so if you don't get it, it's okay. What kind of balls do you see? I see a tennis ball. What is this? And this? What are these? What color are they? How many are they? How many balls are there? Right now, these items, are they attracted to the magnet or repelled from the magnet? You tell me. What things can you pick up with me? Ooh, from here, what do you think the boy can pick up? Can he pick up the books? What about the nails? The gloves? The blocks? What do you think? Let's go on to the workbook. All right, here we go. We're going to cut and paste pictures that a magnet can pick up. Since I can't paste them, this is what I'm going to do. All right. So the first one Here we go. The first one is, sorry, a safety pin, right? A safety pin. So this can go on to the magnet, right? So we're going to put it right here. Yes, this can definitely be attracted to a magnet, and a magnet can definitely pick this up. What about a turnip? The vegetable turnip. Can a magnet pick a turnip up? No, I don't think so. What about the nails? Nails. Yes, the magnets can pick up the nails. What about the gloves? Gloves. Can it pick up the gloves? No, it can't pick up the gloves. What about the paperclip? Paperclip. Can it pick up the paperclip? Yes, it can. What about the clip? The binder clip? Yep, it can do it. What about the rope? Can it pick up the rope? No, it can't pick up the rope. What about the screw? Can it pick up the screw? Yes, it can pick up the screw. All right, attract or repel. Once again, do you remember what attract means? Attract means to pull. Repel means to push, okay? So let's look at our pictures and see which one is correct. So let's start with the needle and thread. Would it be attracted or would it repel? I think the needle can be attracted, but the thread will repel, right? This one, I'm going to put it right into repel. I don't think it can attract both. I think it will repel the thread. What about the paper clips? Well, we see in the picture up here that there are paper clips, so this is going to be attracted. What about the ball of yarn? Attract or repel? Repel, very nice. What about the thumbtacks, the pins? Attract or repel? I think this is attract. What about the coat, the jacket? Attract or repel? Repel. What about this nut, this bolt? Attract or repel? I think attract. What about the buttons? The buttons, the buttons. Attract or repel? Repel. And what about the bolt, the screw? Attract. Finally, the football. Attract or repel? Repel. That has to be repel, right? A football can't, a magnet can't pick up a football. There we go. All right. So once again, what does attract mean? Attract means pull, so they'll stick together because they're pulling. They're pulling. I'm pulling you to me. It's pulling, right? So that means attract. Repel is push. So let's look at it together. Remember what the story said? Only if it's north and south, they will attract. But if it's south-south or north-north, it will repel. So let's look at the first one. It is south-south. So will it attract or will it repel? The answer is repel. If you put a south with the south, they will repel. They'll push away. I know this looks like pulling, but they're pushing away each other. All right. So once again, we have north, north, south, south, what would happen? Repel, very good. Just like I explained. If we saw these magnets in real life and if they did north, north, and south, south, one of them would automatically switch like this so they can stick together. So they would repel. Now, what about north, south, and south, north? They're going to pull each other in. They're going to attract. So that's an A. The next one, what else? North, south, south, north. So once again, this is going to be, oops, attract, A. Aha, here we go again. We have north, north, and south, south. North, north, south, south. So is it going to be attract or repel? They're going to push each other away. So it's going to repel. I know this looks like pulling, but you need to think of it like the magnet is pushing. So north is pushing north away. So they're both pushing each other away. They're both pushing. So when you push someone, you go backwards, right? They're pushing, so they're going backwards. Let's go to the next page. So we're going to circle the sets of magnets which will attract each other, Let's do this one together. Remember, north and south attract each other. North, north, south, south do not attract each other. They repel. So let's do magnetism 2. First one, south, north, north, south. Will they attract or will they repel? Attract. Very nice. What about north, north, and south, south? No, they will repel, right? So no circle. What about south, north, and north, south? Yes, they will attract. North, north, south, south? They will repel. So no, we're not going to circle that. What about this? North, north, south, south here? Once again, no. What about north, south, and south, north like this? Up and down. They are going to attract. They're going to attract. And south, north, they're also going to attract. North, north, no, they're going to repel. Good job. You're doing fantastic. Aha, our picture puzzle. Go ahead and cut this picture out and you're going to glue it onto here, onto the frame. Let me zoom in and bring this up so we can write it together. This picture is called magnetism. One more time, magnetism. Let's spell magnetism. M-A-G-N-E-T-I-S-M. Magnetism. One more time, magnetism. Oops, I was trying to zoom out. So is it magnetic or not magnetic? We're going to figure it out. Let's see. So for this picture, you can cut this out and you can talk about the items and things that are magnetic and not magnetic. So for example, in this picture, the paper clips are magnetic, right? See, we can see the paper clips there. But in this page, we see that the soccer ball is not magnetic. So let's talk about real life items. Talk about them with your brother, sister, if you don't have any, with your mom and dad about what's magnetic and what's not. And here is the magnetic letter sound matching. So your alphabets are here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, A, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, A, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Oh, sorry, here it is. So you can talk about the real life items, or also you can cut these images out and put them on the pile of what's magnetic and what's not, right? So first thing, what do we have? We have an ant, right? An ant, and you can match your magnets with these letters. So ant, are they magnetic? No, an ant is not magnetic. So go ahead and match your magnet letter with the pictures next to it. And you can also talk about if they're magnetic or not. Yep, many different types of things. Oops, sorry. And so I'm going to quickly read the words out for you so you can match them to the sounds that I said. So here we go. We have ant, apple, astronaut, bear, book, banana, cat, caterpillar, cake, dog, donut, dinosaur, egg, eggplant, elephant, fish, flower, fox, giraffe, grape, glasses, house, hamburger, hippo, igloo, ice cream, iguana, jellyfish, joker, jaguar, kangaroo, kite, knife, light, lion, leaf, monkey, mouse, mushroom, narwhal, nut, nail, orange, octopus, owl, pig, pie, pencil, quail, quill, queen, rhino, robot, radish, sponge, snake, sun, tiger, tree, television, uri, I believe, umbrella, urchin, vulture, vegetable, volcano, windmill, walrus, whale, xylophone, x-ray, x-ray fish, yak, yacht, yogurt, zucchini, zipper, zebra. And you can cut these cars out to make a car race. And here are your sight words that you can practice with your mom and dad. And that ends our topic of magnets.